सिरी राग महला पंजमा पहले पहरे रेण कैवण चार्या मित्रा तार पायता उदरह माहे दसी मासी मानस की आवण चार्या मित्रा कर मुहलत कर्म कमाहे. In the first stage of this life night, O my merchant friend, the Vaheguru places your soul in the womb. In the 10th month, you were made into a human form, O my merchant friend, and you were given your allotted time to perform virtuous deeds. मुहलत कर दीनी कर्म कमाणे जैसा लिखत तुर पाया मात पिता पाई सुत बनता तिन पीतर प्रभु संजोया. You were given this time to perform and do the virtuous actions according to your preordained destiny. Vaheguru place you with your mother, father, siblings, children and spouse. कर्म सुकर्म कराए आपे इस जनतय वास किछ नाहे कहु नानक प्राणी पहले पहरे तारु पायता उदरय माहे. Vaheguru himself is cause of all the causes, good and bad, no one has control. Says Nanak, O mortal, in the first watch of the night, the soul is placed in the womb. दूजे पहरे रैण कैवण जार्या मित्रा पार जुआनी लहरी दे बुरा पलाना पछाणे वण जार्या मित्रा मन मत्ता हमें. In the second stage of this life night, O my merchant friend, the fullness of youth rises in you like waves, and you cannot distinguish between good and evil. O my merchant friend, your mind is occupied with ego. बुरा पलाना पछाणे प्राणी आगे पंथ करारा पूरा सतगुर कभू न सेव्या सिर ठाडे जम जंदारा. धर्मराय जब पकरस बवरे तब क्या जवाब करे कहु नानक दूजे पहरे प्राणी पार जोबन लहरी दे. This mortal being is not able to distinguish between good and evil, and the road ahead is very tricky. They never serve perfect true Guru, and the cruel tyrant that stands over their heads. When righteous judge seizes and interrogates, O mad person, what answers will you have for him? Says Nanak, in the second stage of this life night, O mortal, the fullness of youth tosses you about like waves in the storm. तीजय पहरे रैण कै वण जार्या मित्रा बिख संचय अंध अज्ञान पुत्र कलत्र मोह लपट्या वण जार्या मित्रा अंतर लहर लोभान. In the third stage of this life night, O my dear traitor friend, the blind and ignorant human gathers poison. He's entangled in emotional attachment to spouse and children, O my merchant friend, and deep within the waves of the greed keep arising and making poison. अंतर लहर लुभान परानी, सो प्रभ चित ना आवे, साध संगत स्यों संग न किया, बहु जोनी दुख पावे, सिरजनहार विसारिया स्वामी, इक निमख न लिगो ध्यान, कहु नानक प्राणी तीजै पहरे, बिख संचय अंध ज्ञान। The waves of greed keep rising within, and one does not remember Vaheguru. One is not able to join Sat Sangat, the company of holy, and suffers terrible pain through countless reincarnation. When one forgets the Creator, the God and Master, and not meditate on Him even for an instant, says Nanak, in the third stage of this life night, this way the blind and ignorant person gathers poison. चौथे पहरे रैण कै वण चार्या मित्रा, दिन नेड़े आया सोए, गुरमुख नाम समाल तू वण चार्या मित्रा, तेरा दरगह बेली होए। In the fourth stage of this night, O my dear merchant friend, the day is drawing near. As Gurmukh, remember the Naam, it shall be your friend in the court of the God. गुरमुख नाम समाल प्राणी, अंत होए सखाई, एहो मोह माया तेरे संग न चालै, झूठी प्रीत लगाई, सगली रैण गुदरी अंधियारी, सेव सतगुर चानण होए, कहु नानक प्राणी चौथे पहरे, दिन नेड़े आया सोए। As Gurmukh, remember the Naam or motto, it will be in your support and only companion in the end. The emotional attachment to Maya is of no avail. It is false to fall in love with it. The entire night of your life has passed away in darkness. Only by serving the true Guru, the divine light will dawn within, says Nanak, O mortal, in the fourth stage of this life night, that day is drawing near. लिखिया आया गोविंद का वणजार्या मित्रा, उठ चले कमाना साथ, इक रत्ती बिलम न देवनी, वणजार्या मित्रा ऊनी तकड़े पाए हाथ। When the summons from the God of the universe come, O my dear friend, you must depart with the actions you have committed. Then you are not allowed to cause even a moment's delay. O my merchant friend, the messenger of death seizes you firmly. लिखिया आया पकड़ चलाया, मनमुख सदा दुहेले, जिन्नी पूरा सतगुर सेव्या, से दरगह सदा सुहेले, कर्म तरती शरीर जुग अंतर, जो बोवै सो खात, कहु नानक भगत सोहे दरबारे, मनमुख सदा पवात। Receiving the summons, people are seized and sent away. The self-willed manmukhs are miserable forever, but those who serve the true Guru, Satguru, remain happy in the court of Vaheguru. This human form is the field of karma in this age. Whatever is planted in it, one harvests that. Says Nanak, the devotees look beautiful in the court of Vaheguru, but the self-willed manmukhs, they wander forever in reincarnation.